The Solana ecosystem blows up with all of these meme coins. We have another one, GigaChad. Ticker is Giga. It is getting listed on Kucoin December 5th at 12 UTC time. The trading pair will be Giga USDT. The GigaChad meme on Solana aspires to be the leading meme coin in the crypto community, drawing inspiration from a meme that enjoys genuine popularity. For more information, we're going to go to their website. And here it is, guys, the big one on Solana, the GigaChad meme on Solana. So what exactly is it? Well, the GigaChad is a meme that has been around for years and is now a worldwide phenomenon. The meme is based off of a photo shoot of a Russian bodybuilder who was coined the GigaChad for his perfect physique, jawline, and being a symbol of what a peak masculine man should strive for. Now, this cryptocurrency is built on the Solana blockchain, and this is the contract address. So let's go ahead and copy this. You can also get Giga with Phantom Wallet. Now, to answer the question, can you get Giga anywhere else? You sure can. There's a bunch of exchanges right here, including MEXC. For GigaChad, the most important question is, did you do your push-ups? What is Giga Motion? Giga Fitness, community self-improvement, and onboarding new community members. GigaChad has been on X for a year with 29.4 thousand followers, and the big announcement is a new listing on Kucoin. And there's also some big news. We do have Coinbase to the roadmap. Earlier today is GigaChad and Turbo will soon be available on Coinbase. This is the Coinbase website, and of course we do have their roadmap here. We have some of the assets that are on the Ethereum blockchain, which is QCAD and also Turbo. Then we have the Solana network tokens, which are Moondeg and GigaChad. On the base network, we have MOG. Now back to the Solana address. I was going to copy this and put this in the deck screener so we can look at the chart, but we can actually get this on MEXC at the moment. But if you do want to see this on deck screener, all you do is go to deck screener, you paste the contract address. It's going to be the very top one that has the most volume. Of course, you can verify the contract address here. Now, this is the price action on Radium. So this is the GigaChad, ticker is Giga, trading with Solana. And to tell you the truth, the price action does not look bad at all. Let me know in the chat if you plan on picking up some of this Giga. And if so, what platform will you be using? Will it be Radium, MEXC, or another exchange? Currently at the moment, the market cap is 529.9 million. It's fully diluted, it will be 529.9 million. And the liquidity locked is $7.1 million. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.